You're talking about dub for dub. Just the other day, I was listening to a 97 Poison Dart versus Killamanjaro. And it was like dub for like basically like 90 minutes.
Let me give you the history on that cassette.
Okay.
Well, first of all, I have to big up that cassette.
Yeah.
Because that cassette is what bust Poison Dart sound internationally.
You know that. You 1000% know that.
Because any corner of the earth that I go, from the garrisons of Mobile, Kingston, Europe, them say, yo, I got this cassette with you and Jaro and Chupa.
Yeah.
Playing tune for tune and Samajet for Samajet.
You know.
So that dance was a dance in Jacksonville.
Okay.
And we had Jaro player. Mr. Chupa was there, and Mr. Harper was there. The dance done.
Okay.
The dance was over.
At that time,
99% of the people went home. Me and Chupa, I don't know who said it, but we said, yo, wartime, tune for tune.
Yeah.
Only person left in there was maybe 15 people.
Yeah.
One of the people I cannot forget is Juvenile from Justice Sound.
Okay, yes, Justice.
That's before Justice. He was a clash of fun. He was a kid just there to enjoy. And them did a blowing whistle and I support the two sound. You know what I mean? Big up Justice. So we're there and Chupa, we start playing tune for tune, and somebody was like, yo, it's not recording. We have to record this.
Yeah.
Nobody have no cassette. So there's a DJ from Jacksonville named DJ Paul.
Yeah.
DJ Paul went outside and grabbed 2 cassettes that already had music in it. No, use a foundation, man. You know when a cassette loaded and the little recording tab broke out. You gotta stick some paper on it.
Yep, to make it work. Yep.
To make it work. So Paul get some cassettes, them carrots, stick some paper in it, put it in the deck, rewind it to the beginning, and start recording. So maybe about 20, 30 minutes of that dance already gone without recording.
With no recording.
Recording.
Yeah.
Right. So it started recording, and we and Killamanjaro sound is very, very close. Because Chupa voiced a lot of dubs for me.
Yes.
I voiced a lot of dubs for him too, because a lot of the Samajettes I voiced for them. And I think so Robert French, him voiced with me or me voiced with him. But we and Chupa had a good relationship. And we still do. That's my brother. So it started nice and friendly. But you know what tune for tune go. After a while, it's gonna get spicy.
Yeah.
But it never got disrespectul because we're still brethren and we're still brother.
Yeah.
So yeah, but one cassette was finished, and then another cassette was put in, and we never got a hold of that second cassette. So the one that you heard, is the first cassette.
Okay, so there's still another one at tune for tune.
Yes, the only person know where that is probably DJ Paul. I have to find DJ Paul, and it's still another piece. So that cassette went from there to my record shop, to this distributor, Cassette Man, the Cassette Man, and it went. I didn't know what it was at the time, because to me, it's an empty dance with 15 Sound Clash fans making noise for their favorite song. I didn't know what cassette was going to do. Yeah. But until this day, that's the cassette that is a staple in Poison Dart life.
Yeah. 1000% agree, because as I told you, I wouldn't want to say this was probably about 6 days ago, less than a week ago. I was listening to the Jaro versus Poison Dart.
Yes.
Dub for dub. It was Samajet for Samajet, I think Luciana for Luciana, Dennis Brown for Dennis Brown.
It's a lot of artists. I can't remember. Yeah, it got. I know it got to the point where Chupa tricked me, and know that me and my friend, him tricked me. Because we played Samajet for Samajet.
Yeah.
And we ran him out.
Okay.
We ran Jar out of Samajet. But in the dance, Chupa was playing some exclusive Samajet that's not dubs. We didn't know they weren't dubs until way after the dance done. So in the dance now, we might play some exclusive Samajet where Papa Jara alone have, but it's not dubs, but some exclusive 45. But in the dance with all the knives and the forward, we not knowing that it's not a dub plate. We just say, whoa, Channel Star, Red Man, dig deep, find some more Samajet. But Chupa, they kind of run out long time, but we never know. I was still up here. we're still playing dub plate.
Yeah.
But it got to the point now where I think he really run out now. He run out of Sammy Jet. I didn't run out of the pre-release them. So
yeah.
Chupa getting them in them clash vibes now and say, yo, wait, Kirky C not talk right, double it, Bob Marley.
Yeah.
It's a red man. That's a red man. Looks sticky car without a Bob Marley. And later on again, we found out it wasn't Bob Marley, but Chupa the greatest man of the boss.
Yeah, and all of this is after the fact. You find out all this after the fact. Say, okay, you know what? You got me this time, but you're not gonna catch him next time again. You know what I mean?
Yeah, big up Ricky Chupa.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.